we're asked to find the floor area of Bella's room. So we only need the length and the width. Floor area, A, equals length times width. A equals 12 meters times 10 meters. A equals 120 square meters. Floor area of Bella's room is 120 square meters. Let's convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 12 and a quarter equals 12 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4 equals 49 fourths. Now we take the square root. Square root 12 1/4 equals square root 49 divided by square root 4 equals 7 halves equals 3 1/2. So, square root 12 1/4 equals 3 1/2. The volume of a cuboid fits this description. We calculate using the formula. Volume, represented by V, equals length times width times height. V equals 10 centimeters times 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters. V equals 240 cubic centimeters. And 240 cubic centimeters is the volume of the box. Easy, right? Let's find what 10% of $250 is. 10% of $250 equals 10 times $250 divided by 100 equals 2,500 divided by 100 equals $25. So 10% of $250 is $25. We can find the length of each side using the formula. Area equals side squared. Let S represent side, so we have 144 squared meters equals side squared. To find the side, we take the square root of both sides. Side equals square root 144 squared meters. And that gives side equals 12 meters. Each side of the square is 12 meters long. We are required to multiply 64 by 11. Now, write the digits with a space between them. 6, 4. Next, add the two digits together. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That gives us 6 plus 1, 0, 4, which means 64 times 11 is equal to 704. Quick and easy.